Now on to a murder trial. It is of Derek Chauvin. You've heard about this case for over a year now. The former Minneapolis officer charged with killing George Floyd. Jury selection well underway today after appeals delayed that trial yesterday. ABC's Alex Perche is in Minneapolis with the very latest.
Jury selection now underway in the trial of Derek Chauvin, the former Minneapolis police officer accused of killing George Floyd. Already, at least one of the 12 jurors needed is now seated. A man in his 20s or 30s identified as a chemist. Notably, he said he had not seen the video of Floyd's death, but had seen stills of the incident. Legal teams will now have to fill out the jury and find 4 alternates in this case. Inside court today, Chauvin again sat in a suit and mask, taking notes on his yellow legal pad. He's pleaded not guilty to second-degree murder and second-degree manslaughter for an incident caught on camera last Memorial Day. He's seen kneeling on George Floyd for more than 9 minutes. Prosecutors had appealed to delay jury selection today after the defense petitioned the state Supreme Court over an order to reconsider reinstating a third-degree murder charge against Chauvin, a charge that experts say could be easier for prosecutors to prove than second-degree murder.
It's not just that they're saying we need to get the third degree reinstated. They're also saying we want to sort all of this out so that the defense doesn't have an argument later if there's a conviction to appeal and say, wait, they messed up at the beginning of the case.
The judge in this case saying they'll move forward with jury selection unless a court of appeals tells him otherwise. Also today, some insight into how each side may try to make its case. The prosecution saying they expect to call the Minneapolis police chief as a witness, and Chauvin's attorney saying this morning the cause of George Floyd's death is the subject of great controversy.
You're going to hear them say that the cause of death very well may have been drug use and underlying medical conditions rather than the incident itself.
And legal experts are adding that even if Floyd died due to some pre-existing condition, Chauvin's actions may have accelerated his death.